Hi guys, have you been searching for a no-bake recipe? Then you're in the right place. Today, I will show you how to make an easy chocolate mousse cake recipe without eggs and gelatin. These are what you need: 100 grams of whipping cream, 550 grams of milk, 20 grams of cocoa powder, 65 grams of sugar, 25 grams of cornstarch, and 100 grams of dark chocolate. Add the sugar, cocoa powder, milk, and whipping cream. Mix it well. If you're new on this channel, welcome, and if you'd love to know more about baking, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for weekly updates. After mixing, sieve the mixture into a saucepan and stir it. Sieve the corn flour into the mixture, then stir. Place the mixture on low heat and boil. Keep stirring. Once it begins to thicken, add the dark chocolate and keep stirring until completely melted. Then remove from the heat. Line a 7 times 4 inches loaf pan with baking paper. Using a sieve, gently pour the mixture into the pan. Let it cool at room temperature for 20 minutes, then put in a refrigerator to harden for not less than 6 hours. So I left mine to harden overnight. Gently unmold it. Sieve some cocoa powder on top. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.